And I bought these little chairs at Toys R Us for like $7. They have handy manny on them. But Carter can walk with them. Look at that. Look at that. Go car. Oh, Cooper says he's done. Look, hi Carter. Hi. You could be walking soon, huh? Yeah. Say hi, Daddy. Hi. Hi, Daddy. Are you stuck? Move it this way. Whoa. You done? Brother says he's done with dinner. What you doing? You gonna go? Bonk. I know. You're doing good though, Bubba. Girls, get down. Bonk. Hey, Cooper. No camera. Hey, Daddy, look at my puffy, icky eyes. Say bye-bye, Daddy.
Bye-bye, Daddy.